Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to protect a MS Word document from editing. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To protect a MS Word document from editing, open your MS Word document and click on Review tab. Here you will find an option on upper right corner, restrict editing. Click on restrict editing and then select limit formatting to a selection of a style and then edit editing restriction. Click on allow only this type of editing in the document and select no change, read only. And in exception, just uncheck everyone. And now start enforcement. Click on yes. Start enforcing protection. Now you can set password. It's optional. I am setting password here. Now click on OK. Now close restrict editing tab. Now I am going to delete some text. Look, you cannot cut or paste or change font or paragraphs, anything. You cannot delete anything from your document. Now all editing is restricted. This is the easiest way to restrict editing from Microsoft Word document. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.